In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly insert and manipulate a picture within your document. Whether you're crafting a report, compiling a presentation, or simply sprucing up your personal project, being able to add images effectively is essential. So, let's dive right in and explore each step together. First things first, place your cursor precisely where you want the image to appear within your document. This small but significant step ensures that your image appears exactly where you intend from the get-go, saving you time later on. Next, we'll navigate to the Insert tab, prominently located on the ribbon at the top of your window. This is a crucial hub housing a variety of tools and commands, each designed to enrich your document with diverse elements. Within the Insert tab, direct your attention to the Illustrations group. Here you'll find the Pictures option. Click on this option and you'll be presented with choices to source your image. If you already have a specific image saved on your computer, simply select This Device, or perhaps From File, depending on your version. It's a quick way to access your desktop's photo library. Alternatively, if you're on the hunt for a specific image on the internet, choosing Online Pictures or From Web will allow you to browse and insert an image directly from the vast digital expanse. Once you've selected your desired image, go ahead and click Insert. At this point, your image will make its grand entrance into the document, but our work isn't done yet. Now we can refine the image's presentation and interaction with text. Start by resizing the image if necessary. Click on the picture and use the corner handles to drag and adjust its dimensions. This method maintains the image's proportions, preventing any distortion. Ensuring the image fits well within your text layout is key to a polished appearance. Now, let's focus on how the text wraps around your image. This not only contributes to your document's visual appeal, but can also enhance readability. Begin by selecting the picture, then navigate to the Picture Format tab. Here, you'll find Wrap Text options. Choose settings such as Square if you want your text to flow neatly around the image, or Tight for an even closer text fit. Options like Behind Text can allow the image to serve as a subtle background element. Additionally, you can utilize the small Layout Options icon that appears next to the image for quick changes. If you need to reposition the image, ensure you've chosen a wrap mode that facilitates free movement, like In Front of Text or Square. You can then drag the image freely to the ideal spot on your page, creating a harmonious balance between image and text. And there you have it. With these steps, you'll be able to effortlessly insert and customize your images in any document, adding a touch of professionalism and creativity to all your projects.